Look at our program. We've gotten through this title block, and now we've gotten through this arrow. Now we need to actually get to the main menu. So this is going to be effectively a net loop that goes on until we get the exit response. So let's go and do that. So first thing, I'm going to make a variable called done equals false. So the value of this is done is false, and then we're going to keep going by doing while not done. We're going to run this loop, and that is going to be this play loop here. We go get words, we choose a story, we get some words, check the valid. If we're done, show the story. The story's done, come back to the main menu. So let's go and actually start building that. So the first thing we need to do is we need to print the menu. So we're going to throw a print just like we did with the title screen. But we're going to call the function main menu, and we're going to pass debug just like we did before. Not debug, debug. If I could spell, that'd be great. And then we'll start getting the write a getter. But let's first get that main menu working. So we're going to go over to screens.py. I'm going to save this. And I'm going to go and I'm going to copy this function because honestly, this looks pretty good, and not retyping everything would be really nice. So I am lazy. So instead of title screen, we call this main menu. And we're going to pass, instead title screen function, we're going to say main menu function. And now we have to actually put a menu here. So I'm going to tape space. I want to keep everything aligned. And the easiest way is if I turn off insert mode, if I click on the insert key on my keyboard, you'll see here now is in overwrite mode. Now when I put the spaces, it'll just clobber the characters that are already there. But if I hit backspace, it's going to break things. So I'm going to put in the middle of this Madlibs. And then I'm going to probably put my first story. So 1, story 1, 2, story 2. Control Z, that's not what I want to do. 3, story 3. And then I'm going to put back here at the bottom, Q, quit. Now if I save this and I try our game, it's going to never any loop, but let's test that. I'm going to execute. I have everything. I hit enter. And it does this forever. With never-ending scrolling, the title's the main menu. So that's definitely not what we want. So we really need to get the next input. And the way we're going to do that is we should probably just use the getter we're going to use. So we're going to say get. So choice is equal to get menu option. And now we get to write our first getter. And this is get menu option, open parentheses, debug, close parentheses. Again, just so we can always see what the program's thinking. I'm now going to go to getters.py and write that function.